After we cover it up, our retirement will still use the old method in village in Safari as well. After we cover it up, then the man will go outside, find a coconut tree, climb up to a coconut tree, cut down two of those front, come back down, and he weave 3 baskets, big basket like this one, because that's where all that food inside is gonna go. After weaving 3 baskets, open it up, everything will be cooked. Yeah. But now we're using Seiko. So every food there you guys will see putting in there, it's gonna be served by your plates. You guys want to see more?
Yes.
That doesn't even sound like people want to see more.
Yes.
You want to see more?
Yes.
What do you want to see now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how we make the coconut cream. Put it to the pipe. You want to see someone climb the coconut?
Yes.
You want to see someone climb the coconut?
Yes.
You already have one. Not today. Maybe. A lot of our climbers not even here anymore. They passed away. Fall from the tree. Okay. Finally, this is more like it's our responsibility because now you're on our island, so it's more like our responsibility to tell you your safety when you walk under the coconut tree. I'm gonna tell you a story. This story is for your safety. You guys know the band called the Rolling Stone. You heard about it?
Yes.
Do you guys know that they were in Fiji? They were in Fiji. Yeah, so they were in Fiji. One of the band named Keith Richard. Seeing the Fiji climb the coconut, they make it look so easy. So Keith Richard want to give it a try. So if no one stopped Keith Richard, he climbed. Halfway up there in Fiji, he fell from the coconut. And then they rushed him in New Zealand for bad surgery. So the point of my story is just for your safety. That is why all the hotel in Samoan, wherever we have coconut, they're gonna nail sign on it. Watch out for falling coconut. But the hotel in the Fiji said watch out for falling stone. It's more like that. So there's 2 types of coconut here in Samoan, the green one and the yellow one. They both look different, but they're always gonna taste exactly the same. Have you guys tried the first one? Try the first one. I encourage you guys to choose what's really, really good with vodka. Kelly told me about it. I think that is the reason for drinking that a lot. So yeah, when it finally turns mature, all it's gonna turn brown. So when it is brown, that means it is mature. And I can tell a lot of you are not mature. So when it finally turns mature, like the one I'm holding in my hand, it just fall off the tree without any warning. So it's more like wherever when you walk on the coconut tree, make sure you look up. Yeah. You have a brown one. Here. What are you waiting? What is that? They always challenge me. Like, here in Samoa, there's always going to be a Te Wila festival. When it comes to the Te Wila festival games, we're going to play games. So when it comes to like games, the games that we used to play, climbing the coconut tree, husking coconut, it's more like a cooking challenge. So when it comes to like husking a coconut, I've been holding a title for 5 years. No one beat me wrong. Husking coconut, I always gonna be the one that always gonna take the first place. But you wanna challenge me in front of you guys. Oh yeah. Do you guys wanna see?
Yes.
Who do you think is going to win? Why are you guys looking at him? Why are you looking at him? I already told you guys that 5 years.
Because he's hungry for it. Yeah.
Okay. 2 volunteers. Boys, men. Come up there. There you go. So you count it. You guys ready? You're gonna say ma.
Ma.
Sing ma.
Oh, just like that.
So now you guys will say, wow, and for me, thank God I was doing this right today. Yeah. It's better than milk. No caffeine in it. Let's just drink it with it tomorrow. Don't be around like us. Remember, what we're doing here is big thing. Like I was saying, we're teamwork. Okay, so we're gonna use those half of those pieces. Pick up. Work as a team. Work as a team. So now, 2 years gonna bring the coconut. In this morning, man preparing everything, cooking. So he was sitting on the fly, breading 40 coconuts. So 40 coconut, how many half? What are you doing? What we used to use is a coconut shell. But after you're going to break it again, then make another one. And these work a lot better and faster. So yeah, this shell, use these as cups as well. This is our gym.
Next week.
We don't go to gym and do that. We come here and do this.
Yeah.
That is why you can tell they're always going to have that
It
good
was 2
looking and
degrees in tomorrow this
strong. Just this is our gym.
Taste it. Taste it.
Remember, this is just one coconut that we're doing here. Can I have the other half? Thank you. Yeah. Now this is what we call pengu. Other important part of it, washing your hand. Yep. That is so important. That's all right? It's raining. This fiber right here. Seeing people selling in the market, and then you might think like, what is that for? Is that a vertex? Whoever's going to be selected, move in, okay? What's your name?
Yeah. The lady. Okay, come here, sweetie.
Like you always select the ladies. I don't even know why.
Okay. Come here.
Okay? Okay, what are you gonna do with this? Put it on the pan and then face it up like this. say Pepe. Say it again, Pepe.
Pepe.
Are you guys saying baby? No, they're looking. Pepe. Before we get into that, I'm gonna ask this first. Which one of you sing? Okay, we need more volunteers. Another one. Okay, put it down like this. Okay, Pepe 80s. Take your photos.
Oh, yes.
Other side.
Yes.
Pass it around. That's gonna love it.
Whoa.
Okay, pass it around.
Wow.
That is how we make the coconut cream. Wash your hands.
Why you not? Are you okay, chef? Don't worry about it.
My hands as well, please. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Give a hand for the ladies. How was it? How was it? Yeah, it tastes really, really good. Eh? I know you're gonna get diarrhea tonight, but it tastes really, really good. So yeah, whatever goes on the ground, the chicken's gonna pick it up. That's how we use chicken legs. So after putting that out, after using 4 or 3 times, the fiber will taste amazing. You know what we do with the old one? After we're using these 4 or 3 times, the fiber will taste amazing. What we're gonna do with it is a body looper. So yeah, in this morning I use this as a body looper. Use it again for the coconut cream. Doesn't even taste that bad, eh? He was giving it the flavor. But anyways, give a hand for So now, I'm just gonna ask again. Do you guys still want to see more?
Yes. Yes.
Do you want to see more?
Yes.
You're louder than someone. You got someone? Okay, because you are way louder than us.